In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Instagram account private. Making your account private is a simple but powerful way to control who sees your posts, stories, and followers. When your account is private, only people you approve as followers can see your content. This is great if you want more privacy, you're managing a personal account, or you just want to feel more in control of your online presence. Let's walk through the process step by step on the Instagram website. First, open your browser and go to the Instagram homepage. Log in if you're not already signed in. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Instagram home dashboard. This is the main feed where you see posts from people you follow, along with the navigation menu on the left-hand side. On that left-hand column, look towards the bottom for the option labeled More. It usually has 3 horizontal lines or a small icon next to it. Click on More. This will open a small menu with additional options that don't appear in the main navigation. From that menu, click on Settings. This will take you to the main settings area for your account, where you can manage things like your profile information, privacy, security, and notifications. We're focusing on privacy today. Inside Settings, look for the section called Account Privacy. Go ahead and click on Account Privacy. This is where Instagram lets you decide whether your account is public or private. On this page, you'll see an option labeled Private Account with a toggle switch next to it. Right now, if your account is public, that toggle will be off. To make your account private, click on the toggle to turn it on. When you do this, Instagram will usually show a confirmation message just to make sure you understand the change. Next, click on Switch to Private to confirm. Once you confirm, your account becomes private. From this point on, only followers you approve will be able to see your posts, your followers list, and the accounts you follow. Anyone new who wants to follow you will have to send a follow request, and you can choose to approve or ignore it. If you ever change your mind, you can come back to the same account privacy section and turn the toggle off to make your account public again. But as long as it stays on, your Instagram account is private and much more secure.